Hello students, welcome back to the chapter sets. Let us continue exercise 1.5. See, the next one is the third one. Sixth. I'm taking this is F x such that x is a perfect square. See here, for this F we have to write the complement. The complements we have to write. So what is the complement of F is? That is F dash. So x is perfect square. What is F dash is not F. Not F. Not F means x is not perfect square. That's it. X such that x is not perfect square. Next, seventh, G. X such that x is a perfect cube, same as previously. Not G, that is G dash, is x such that x is not perfect cube, that is G dash. Next, eighth, H is equal to x plus x such that x plus 5 equal to 8. First solve this one. X plus 5 equal to 8. So from this one, what is x value is? This send this side. That is 8 minus 5. That is 3. So what you can write? H equal to x such that x equal to 3. Now for this one, what is the complement? That is h dash. That is x such that not h. Not h means not 3, that is not equal to 3. X such that x not equal to 3, that is h dash. Next, 8th, 9th, I x such that 2x plus 5 equal to 9. That is, simplify this one. That is 2x plus 5 is equal to 9. So 2x equal to 9 minus 5. That is 2x equal to 4. So x equal to 4 by 2. That is it. So I am writing this one again. I equal to x such that x equal to 2. So what is the complement of this one is I dash. It is not I. Not I means I is x equal to 2. Not I means x not equal to 2. X such that x not equal to 2. That's it. Next, 10th one is J. X such that x greater than or equal to 7. X greater than or equal to 7. So what is the J dash is? See here, x values are equal to 7 and above 7. Equal to 7 and above 7. So not J, that means not of these values. Not these values means remaining values are less than 7. How many values are less than 7? That is x such that x less than 7. Don't take these values. You have to eliminate these values. Which one? Equal to 7? 7 and above 7, that is 8, 9 and so on. Cancel this one. So what are the remaining? Below 7 values remaining. That is less than 7. Just remember here. Here greater than is always less than. Here equal to means there is no equal. If suppose here there is no equal symbol, here we have to put equal symbol. That is the complement of the. So next one is eleventh. K equal to x such that x belongs to n and 2x plus 1 greater than 10. So first solve this one. 2x plus 1 greater than 10. So 2x plus 1 greater than 10 means 2x equal to 10 minus 1, that is 9. So 2x equal to 9. They replace x equal to 9 by 2, that is 4.5. So I am writing here k equal to x such that x belongs to n and x is greater than. So here what is the symbol? Greater than symbol. Greater than symbol. Greater than. So x is greater than 4.5. So what I said here, greater than is the means less than. Equal symbol is the means no equal symbol. So what we can write here, k dash. The complement of k is x such that x belongs to natural numbers and x is greater than means less than. Less than, here there is no equal symbol, we have to put equal symbol. 4.5. That is the complement. Come to the next one of this. This one important. Fourth, if U, that is universal set, is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Capital A is 2, 4, 6, 8. Next capital B is 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7. Verify that first one is A union B whole dash equal to A dash intersection B dash. You have to verify this one. So what is given? Universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next capital A is 2, 4, 6, 8. Next B is 2, 3, 5, 7. Now see here. Here two parts are there. This is the LHS part. This is the RHS part. So first I take LHS part. LHS. So what is that one is A union B whole dash. So first we have to find A union B. So A union B. So what is the A is 2, 4, 6, 8. Next union. What is the B is 2, 3, 5, 7. Now A union B is the all the elements of A as well as B. That is 2. 2 is there. Next first I'm writing these elements 2. Next element 3. Next 4. Next 5. Next 6. Next 7. Next 8. See here 2 times repeated. 2 repeated 2 times. Don't write 2 times. You have to write only 1 time. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is the A union B. Now A union B whole dash. What is the meaning of this one is? It is U minus, what is the set A? A dash means U minus A. B dash means U minus B. In the same way, A union B whole dash means U minus this set, A union B. So what is the U is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus, what is the A union B you got? That is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So from this set we have to delete or eliminate this elements. So 2 is there here, cancel 2. Next 3 also cancel, 4 also cancel, 5 is there, 5 cancel, 6 is there, cancel, 7 is there, cancel, next 8 cancel. Now what are the remaining elements? We have to write here. So what are the remaining elements are? That is 1, comma. Here remaining element is 9. 1, comma 9. Which is equal to A will be whole dash, that is LHS part. Now what about the RHS part? RHS. What is RHS part is? A dash intersection B dash. A dash intersection B dash. So first we have to find A dash, later B dash, later we have to operate intersection. So that is A dash equal to, that is U minus A. So what is the U is? This one I am writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus, what is the A is? 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. So from this set we have to delete or eliminate these elements. So first element 2 is there, S cancel. Next 4 is there, here S 4 is the cancel. Check this one, 6 is there or not, S 6 is the cancel. Next 8 is there or not, S 8 is there, cancel. Now what are the remaining elements? That is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. It is the A dash. Next, later we have to find B dash. B dash equal to U minus B. That is, what is the U is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus, what is the B is? 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7. So cancel these elements or eliminate these elements from this set. So first element is 2. 2 is there here, you can cancel. Next 3, cancel. 5 is there, yes, cancel. 7, cancel. Now what are the remaining elements? Let's write it. That is the B dash. Remaining elements are 1 is there. Next 4, next 6, next 8, next 9. So it is B dash. Now finally we have to find A dash intersection B dash. A dash intersection B dash. So A dash is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Intersection. What is the B dash is? B dash is 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. Now, for these two sets, what is the intersection part? Common elements. Intersection is common elements. So, what are the common elements? 1 is there, yes, 1 is there common. 3 is there here. There is no 3 here. 5, there is no 5 here. 7, there is no 7 here. 9, yes, here 9 is there. 1, 9. So, once check here. What is LHS answer? What is the RHS answer? Both are same. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, finally, what you can write? A union B whole dash equal to A dash intersection B dash. This is which one? De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law, this one. And the second one also is there. We will prove that one. See the next one. Second in that one. You have to prove A intersection B whole dash equal to A dash union B dash. So, first I am taking LHS part is A intersection B whole dash. So, first we have to find A intersection B. Later, we have to find A intersection B whole dash. So, first I am finding A intersection B. So, what is the A? A is 2, 4, 6, 8. Intersection B is 2, 3, 5, 7. So what is the intersection part is? It is 2, common is there as 2. Next 4 is there here? No, there is no 4. There is no 6. There is no 8. So only element is 2. That is A intersection B. Now A intersection B whole dash. So A dash is U minus A. B dash is U minus B. In the same way. A intersection B whole dash means U minus this set. What is the set here? A intersection B. So what is the U here? U is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Minus, what is the A intersection B? A intersection B is singleton set 2. Singleton set means a set have only one element. If it has only one element, that is called singleton set. So 2, only one element is there. Element this element from this one. 2 is there as cancel. Now what is the remaining is 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is which one? LHS part. That is A intersection B whole dash. Next. What is the RHS part is? RHS is A dash union B dash. A dash union B dash. So what is the A dash is? A dash is U minus A. So I am writing here. What is the U? U is U is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus what is the A is 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Now cancel these elements from this set. So first 2 is there, 2 cancel, 4 is there, 4 cancel, 6 cancel, 8 cancel. Now what are the remaining elements? That is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Next, what is the B dash? That is U minus B. U is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus. Next, what is the B is here? 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7. So, eliminate these elements from this set. So, 2 is there, 2 cancel. 3 cancel. 5 cancel. 7 cancel. Now, what are the remaining? That is 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. Now, between A dash and B dash, what is the operation is union. So, it is A dash union B dash equal to A dash is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 union B dash is 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. Now union means we have to take all the elements of A dash as well as B dash. That is first element 1. After 1 it is 3. After 3 4. Next after 4 5. After 5 6. After 6 7. Next 8. Next 9. 9 repeated 2 times, even though I could write only 1 time. So there is 1 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Once again, both are same. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Now what is LHS is A intersection B whole dash. Therefore, A intersection B whole dash equal to A dash union B dash. These are the De Morgan's law. Next one is fifth one. Before going to the next problem, we have to discuss about Venn diagrams. See here, Venn diagram is it explains the relationship between the sets or among the sets. If two sets means it is between the sets. If two or more sets is there means above two. More sets is there means among the sets. Which is sets or it is a group of objects. Anything. You can define as set as group of objects that share something in common. That share something in common. That is Venn diagram. That means it explains the relationship between the sets or among the sets or group of objects that share something in common. Here mainly in the Venn diagram, rectangle boxes are represented by the universal set, or universal set represented by rectangle box. Universal set represented by rectangle box, and the remaining sets, the subsets, the remaining sets are subsets. That sets are represented by circles. Remember this one? In the Venn diagrams, universal set represented by the rectangle box and the remaining sets represented by circles. That is Venn diagram. Now, see the problems here. Draw appropriate Venn diagram for each of the following. See here. First one. A union B whole dash. First one is A union B whole dash. So here A union B whole dash means A dash means it is U minus A. B dash means U minus B. So in the same way, A union B whole dash means U minus A union B. That means from the universal set we have to eliminate A union B part. We have to delete A union B part. So I am taking the diagram, Venn diagram. Is the rectangle box. So universal set always represented by rectangle box. Now here I am taking two sets, that is A, B. This is A, this is B. So A union B. So what is the A union B part is? This is the A union B part. This entire thing. This is A union B part. So from this entire box, so from the universal set, we have to delete or eliminate this entire part, A union B part. So we have to delete this one, means remaining thing we have to shade. By leaving this one, we have to shade remaining part. So how we have to shade? See this one. Don't shade in this one, because we have to leave that one. We have to leave that part. Remaining part we have to shade. This is the part. This is A union B whole dash. That means from this entire U, we have to delete or eliminate this A union B part. So that means except this part we have to shade everything. Except this part we have to shade everything. Okay. Next, what is the second one is? Second is A dash intersection B dash. See here, De Morgan's law. All of you know De Morgan's law. What is the De Morgan's law? That is A dash intersection B dash means that is A union B whole dash. A union B whole dash. So A union B whole dash means same as this one. That is again U minus A union B. Same diagram. For this one also same diagram. That means problem number 1, 2 both have the same diagrams. So it is A union B whole dash given. He is given A dash intersection B dash. So by De Morgan's law, A dash intersection B dash means A union B whole dash. Same as this one. A union B whole dash means. So you can draw here same diagram. I am not drawing here. You draw the same diagram. Same diagram. Next, what is the third one is A intersection B whole dash. That means what you can write from the universal set, we have to eliminate this intersection part, A intersection B. So see the diagram. This is universal set. Now I am taking A and this is B. This is A, this is B. Now what is the intersection part? Is this one is the intersection part, the mixed part. I am drawing, indicating. This is the intersection part. That is the intersection part. By leaving this intersection part, we have to draw, we have to shade the remaining thing. That is intersection part. That means that is U minus. That means from the entire box, from the entire box, we have to delete this part, intersection B part, this part. By eliminating this part, we have to shade everything. See how to shade. This one also you can share, no problem. But don't go instead of this one. You have to share the remaining part. This is which one? A intersection B whole dash. From the entire U, we have eliminated, that means we are not sharing which one? A intersection B part. This is A intersection B part. This is A union B. This part. So, don't write here, just I am indicating here. What is the A union B? This entire is A union B. This is A intersection B. Now see the fourth one is A dash union B dash. What is the De Morgan's law of this one is A intersection B whole dash. Same as this one. A intersection B whole dash. That is U minus A intersection B. Same diagram. Same. Draw the same diagram here also. First and second have the same diagrams. Third and fourth have the same diagrams. Okay. That is the fifth one. See the next one is sixth one. U is the set of all triangles in a plane. The set of all triangles. Set of all triangles. Next, what is the capital A is the set of all triangles with at least one angle is different from 60 degrees. See here, what is mean by equilateral triangle? That is every angle is 60 degrees. That means all the three angles are same. If one angle is different also, if one angle is not same also, it is not equilateral triangle. So he gave that one. That is capital A is at least one angle is different from 60. Different from 60 means not equilateral triangle. So capital A is the set of, I'm writing here clearly, the set of all triangles. Next, the set of all not equilateral triangles. Now we have to find A dash. A dash is U minus A. So see here, U minus A means from the U we have to eliminate this triangles. It is the set of all triangles. From the set of all triangles, we have to delete or we have to eliminate which triangles? Not equilateral triangles. What are the remaining is equilateral triangles. Is the set of all equilateral triangles. That is the answer. Next, seventh one. Fill up the blanks. First one is A union A dash. Already I gave this one, these properties in the complement. That is always it is u. A dash is u. Next, second is phi dash intersection A. So phi dash is u, universal set u, intersection A. For the u and A, what is the intersection part is A, which is the small set. When it is the operation is intersection, always we will get answer is small set. So what is the small set is A. Next, what is the third one? A intersection A dash. A intersection A dash is always phi. They doesn't have any common elements. That is phi, empty set. Next, fourth. The last one is u dash intersection A. So what is the u dash? U dash is phi. In the properties I gave this one. U dash is phi. Intersection A. For the phi and A, what are the common elements? In the phi there is no elements. Suppose in the A some elements are there. Any common elements here? No. It is equal to phi. With intersection of phi, any set is phi, empty set. So this is the exercise 1.5. Next, remaining only one exercise is there. I will discuss that one in the next class. Thank you.